Hey guys, so today we're going to do a little DIY. I enjoy my Pinterest DIYs and my DIY fails every once in a while. So this one's been floating around Pinterest and my Facebook feed for a while now, and it is the DIY extra moisturizer that you use some form of baby lotion and vitamin E lotion and whip it all together. Today I'm going to be using coconut oil. And just to see if this actually works, it's something that I've known other hairdressers to use in the winter because our hands were constantly in water. So this would be something nice that if I don't Pinterest fail it, I can give my mom something and my little sister something to get us through the rest of these cold months right before summer hits. I got these bowls from Walmart. They are the Rubbermaid bowls. They come in a set of 3. I've already washed them. They're a little cute, like spring color. So I think my favorite color bounces between teal, purple, and pink. So teal bowls. And I am going to get started. You'll see me, I'll adjust the camera angle here in a second and we'll get right into it. Okay guys, to get started, I'm taking the Johnson's baby lotion and I'm emptying it all out into the bowl. It calls for the full bottle. So just getting that all out. Once that's all out, then I'm going to take both jars of the vitamin E lotion and I'm going to scrape them into the bowl along with the baby lotion. Really easy, just emptying everything into the bowl. Next, I'm going to take the coconut oil, and I thought I would be able to scrape some of it out, but it turned out that I needed to warm it up first to melt it down. Make sure that you remove the aluminum foil lining from the top or you'll blow up your microwave. Thankfully, I did not do that this time. So I'm emptying 1 full cup into the bowl. And then you're just gonna mix it all together and make it fluffy. Mix it all up until you want everything incorporated, and you'll notice that the oil will eventually sink into the other moisturizers. After that, I give it a quick test and I love the way it makes my hands feel, especially my dry cuticles. And then I'm just going to spoon it into these cute little bowls. And then once everything's cleaned up, Mr. Llama approves and we are good to go. And there you go. All in all, I say this is a very moisturizing lotion. Pretty easy gift to do for someone. Probably cost me around $20 once it's all said and done to make 3 cute little bowls. I mean, that's including bowls, lotion, vitamin E, coconut oil. This is one of the cheaper brands. It is the Luann coconut oil non-hydrogenated. So all for under $20 after tax and everything's included. And I'm excited to see what my mom and sis think about their cute little gift. So if you've watched this already and I haven't given it to you, get to my house and get some. So that was a quick little DIY that has been driving me crazy because it's been on my Pinterest board forever. I've been pinned it several times. Several clients have recommended I try it for my dry hands. And I definitely think that it's a keeper. And if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this or makeup tutorials, leave me a comment below which you like best or if you like them all. I hope to see you guys soon. Talk to you later. Bye. He is, well, I call him a llama, but he's really an alpaca. But my husband, he sent him to me from Amazon. It was a complete surprise. I had no idea. He still does not have a name, but he likes to hang out in some of my videos, and he's usually sitting over here on my little beauty table, and he's just so pretty, and I love him so much. So, obviously that could have been given to me any other day than Valentine's Day, but that's my favorite. So one of my new obsessions is the St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Oil-Free Salicylic Acid Acne Medication.